Hello everyone. I think you all got the notice about your exam, it means about your test, and it's will start from 13th July. So firstly today I will say about the syllabus of your test exam. So we have already completed last 4 chapter, that means chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4, and 5 number chapter, that is the agricultural India. This chapter is running. So I think this chapter will also be completed within this week. So be prepared for your exam, okay? And also I will give some questions from this chapter today, and then you all write the answer of these questions from your book. So now start our next topic, that is last day we are discussing about maize, wheat, rice cultivation in India, and today we start from pulses. It's not so much important, but because it is included in this chapter, so we have to learn. First is pulses. Pulses are very important ingredients of vegetarian food, as these are rich source of protein. Not in vegetarian, non-veg also. These are legume crop which increase in the natural fertility of soil through nitrogen friction. India is leading producer of pulses in the world. That means India lead number 1 position in the world. The cultivation of pulses in the country is largely concentrated in the dry lands of Deccan Plateau region and Central Plateau's northwestern part of the country. So what are the main region of pulses cultivation? They are Deccan Plateau region, Central Plateau region and northwestern part of the country. Pulses occupied about 11% of the total cropped area in the country. Being rain-fed crop, the drylands, the yields of pulses are low and fluctuate from year to year. That means every year the production of pulses is not same. It is fluctuated from year to year. Gram, tur are the main pulses cultivated in our country. Now I will tell about some pulses which are grown in India. First is gram. Gram is cultivated in subtropical area. It is mostly a rain-fed crop and cultivated during Rabi season in central, western and northwestern part of the country. Just 1 or 2 light shower or irrigation are required for growth this type of crop successfully. It has been displaced from cropping pattern by wheat in Haryana, Punjab and northern Rajasthan following the Green Revolution. At present, gram covers only about 2.8% of the total cropped area. Next, another important pulse is tur or ahar. Tur is second important pulse crop in the country. It is also known as red gram. It is cultivated over marginal lands and under a rain-fed condition in the dry areas of central and south states of the country. And it occupies only 2% of the total cropped area in India. So these are the main 2 pulses which are grown in India. One is gram and second is tur. Now another important thing, that means another important agricultural product which are produced in India is oilseeds, and different kinds of oilseeds are produced in India. Oilseeds. The oilseeds are produced in extracting edible oils. Dryland of Malwa Plateau, Maratha, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Telangana, and also some parts of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka plateaus are main region of oilseeds growing. Different types of oilseeds grown in India. One is groundnut, next is mustard, which are very important for our food or cooking. For cooking, and other oilseeds like soybean, sunflower, and other important oilseeds also grown in India. So these are the all food crops which I already discussed. Now I will in my next video I will tell you about some fiber crops like cotton, then jute, and other crops like sugar cane, beverage crops like tea, coffee, etc. So this now please watch our next video, my next video.